Solifuges, often known as camel spiders or wind scorpions, belong to the class of arachnida and can be found on every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Despite the common names, they're neither true scorpions nor true spiders. There are currently over 1,000 identified solifuge species, the majority of which are located in hot deserts. The body length of solifuges, depending on the species, ranges from 4 mm to 7 cm. The largest species grow to a length of 12 to 15 cm, including legs. The majority of solifuge species have only one pair of eyes, which are quite sophisticated in construction. Their most essential sense, however, is touch. The mouthparts of solifuges include chelicerae, which resemble pincers in appearance and are essential for capturing and crushing prey, as well as bringing water to their mouthparts for drinking and climbing smooth surfaces. Solifuges moisten their prey with digestive enzymes using their chelicerae, resulting in the formation of a nutrient-rich liquid that's absorbed through the mouth. Solifuges are ferocious predators, and various insects are their main prey. Solifuges' most important hunting tools include pedipalps. They're the primary touch organs that are coated in long, sensitive hairs. There are also unique organs on the pedipalp tips that resemble suckers and allow the solifuge to catch even the most cautious prey, for example, grasshoppers. Due to their dexterous limbs and lightning-fast reaction times, solifuges are able to single-handedly attack colonies of ants and termites and devour them in vast numbers. A scorpion is a very dangerous opponent. Just one hit from a venomous stinger is enough to kill a solifuge. But the solifuge doesn't attack the scorpion from the front, but tries to go around and grab it by the tail. When the solifuge succeeds, the powerful chelicerae disable the venomous weapon of the scorpion, and it becomes easy prey. Small spiders, such as venomous ones as the black widows. Small spiders, even such venomous ones as the black widow, have almost no chance of winning a fight against a solifuge. Solifuges themselves do not produce venom and rely only on their agility and strength when fighting prey. Solifuges are very aggressive and often attack prey that is not inferior in size, including vertebrates, for example, lizards. Chelicerae easily bite through the strong skin and even crush small bones. Large solifuge species are capable of killing small mammals, for example, mice and even birds that have chosen an unfortunate place to rest. Some species have such a fast reaction time and well-developed pedipalps that they can catch flying prey. The majority of solifuge species are active at night and live in burrows. When digging, strong limbs can be used, but chelicerae can also be used if the dirt's very hard. It can be up to 30 centimeters long when it's done. Solifuges have the most efficient breathing mechanism of any arachnid, which allows them to live a very active life. Some solifuge species can attain speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest terrestrial invertebrates. On the hind legs of the solifuges, there are special little studded organs called malleoli. They're used for touch and are also sensitive to specific substances, which can be useful when looking for a mating partner. When he finds a female, he employs chelicerae to open her vaginal pore. The male then deposits a spermatophore containing male sex cells and injects it into the female's genital hole with chelicerae. After some time, the female creates a hole in which she lays her eggs. In some species, the mother protects the clutch until the eggs hatch. Baby solifuges immediately grow self-sufficient and begin to search for any prey of adequate size. Despite their ominous image, solifuges pose no significant threat to humans. They rarely attack first, but if mishandled, they'll defend themselves violently. Even though solifuges are non-venomous, big species of chelicerae can easily bite through the top layer of skin and infect the wound. Solifuges are often drawn to the shadows created by humans in the wild, which is misinterpreted as aggressive behavior. Most solifuge species dwell in areas with little human impact, and their numbers are still relatively robust. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for now. See you in the next video.